So if you notice on the screen right now, you have a light bulb. But let's just call the light bulb an idea or a solution, okay? You can pretty much bet that every single employee in your company has in their back pocket a list of ideas and solutions that are the exact things that the company needs to implement to be successful, but they're not going to let it out of their pocket anymore. Yeah. Those things are the things we want to go and get because it takes way too much time, way too much energy, way too much money for us to pay outsourcing companies like us, okay, to come in and have to go figure it out. So what we do in this program is teach you how to do it. Yeah. Okay. So you guys can become the top-notch internal subject matter experts on how you're going to do this.
Well, I'll even add to this that the closer to the front that you get for a solution, the more inexpensive the solutions become.
Absolutely.
Because one of the dynamics that happens is as a problem reaches higher and higher levels within the organization, the tendency in every organization is to solve a problem with writing a check. Yep. But those checks get bigger and bigger and bigger.
When oftentimes, if it had been caught earlier and sooner, almost like health. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. If I'd have just listened to the doctor the first time that I could have diagnosed this, or like a car, the alignment issue. Remember we talked about that. The longer you delay, the bigger the problem gets.